Hello and welcome again to Androidiya. In today's video we will talk about how to find ranking keywords and what are people searching for, so you can upload easily awesome videos and you will have a lot of watches and viewers, and your video will rank for sure. So how creators do videos and upload their videos, and those videos will rank on YouTube, and people are watching those videos. How do they find those keywords and those topics? Today we will cover all those stuff. It's so easy, guys. Just don't forget to subscribe to my channel first of all, and then hit the bell icon and like my video for sure. And let's not waste time and go to your channel, then go to analytics. From analytics, go to research or research. So here you have three tabs. Search across YouTube. People who are searching on YouTube, you can find those. If you type any keyword, you can find what are people searching. So if you want to upload a video in target abroad or broad keywords, you can just search here and find a topic, then make videos on those topics, like food. So food challenge, high difficulty food, and type any type any keyword in the research bar, and you can find all of those videos that are people are looking for. And if you want to target specific people, your viewers, not your subscribers, because your subscribers, maybe they are your viewers, and your viewers are not necessarily will be your subscribers. You got my point, ain't you? So go to your viewers researches and look. My viewers are researching for iPhone 30 Pro Max, Kind Master video editing, Prakshya Pe Charcha 2022. They are looking for all these videos, so I can make videos and easily rank on Android. And me at the zoo, I can rank on those keywords because people are searching on for these topics or for these kind of videos. So go to your own channel, go to analytics, then see your viewers, what are they searching, and do videos based on that. And don't forget, as I told you, to like my video. Thanks for watching.